Question DS.
Tom's current age
Is twice Jane's age 5 years ago. How old is Tom now? Condition 1. Tom's age is 3 years older than Jane now. Condition 2. Tom is older than Jane now. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS, 2 variables and 1 equation. Question. Condition 1, 1 equation. Condition 2, 1 equation. DS question with 2 variables and 1 equation. Let the original condition in a DS question contain 2 variables and 1 equation. Now, 2 variables and 1 equation would generally require 1 more equation for us to be able to solve for the value of the variables. The most likely answer is D, because you need 1 more. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation, and since we need 1 more equation to match the numbers of variables and equations in the original condition, the logical answer is D. The answer could be A, B, or D, but the default answer is D. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find Tom's age if Tom's age is twice Jane's age 5 years ago. Let the present age of Tom and Jane be T and J. So T equals 2 times of whole J minus 5. You should practice making equations like this. That's how you can count the number of the equations. You will learn this in the future in Lesson D. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have 2 variables, T and J, and 1 equation, T equals 2 times of whole J minus 5. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 1 more equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, D would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at each condition. Condition 1 tells us that Tom's age is 3 years older than Jane's age now. That is T equals J plus 3. Substituting this value in the original condition, we get J plus 3 equals 2 times whole of J minus 5. Distributing 2 through the bracket gives us J plus 3 equals 2 times J minus 10, which can be rearranged to give us J equals 13, and T equals J plus 3, which equals 13 plus 3, which equals 16. Since it is a unique answer, this condition is sufficient. Many age questions appear in the GMAT math exam, so it is important to be familiar with this type of question. Condition 2 tells us that Tom is older than Jane now. Since it is not a unique answer, this condition is not sufficient. Condition 1 alone is sufficient, so A is the correct answer. In some cases, A or B can be the answer. However, since we have 1 variable from the original condition, D is 60% likely to be the answer. So pick D when you run out of time or want to skip the question. Answer A.